Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful party wear dress. Here I am drawing the dress. This is very pretty and very beautiful. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I completed to draw the dress. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using red color for the upper part of this dress. Now I am using the light blue color for the middle part of this dress. And here I am using the yellow color for the lower part of this dress. Now I am using light green color for the sleeves. Here I am making some dots with the whitener pen. It looks so beautiful. Wow, the dress is looking so pretty. You should also draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.